Welcome back. Hoping that you got the result of what expected in the question. So let's see the solution. So okay, let me explain. So how much payment should go to each instructor? An instructor name is required. That's the question. So let's ignore that instructor name for now, and let's see how to get the amounts. So that is based on the student and course. So if I do join on student and course for only because amount will get for the registered course only, right? So let's start with select star. So when you start coding, then only you will get the result. If you keep thinking, then it may take longer time. Select star from, I'll put student first. Anything is fine. We are using first inner join. Student S join course C on S dot course is equal to C dot ID. Okay, so we got the courses which are registered by students. Good. Now I want the price to the instructor. So I have instructor ID here and I have price here, right? So what I will do, I will take instructor from the course table, comma, sum of price, and when we use aggregate we need to use group by C dot instructor. Okay, perfect. So I got instructor and sum of the payment to the instructor. So as we discussed, David 2 created 2 courses, but only one course is registered, so that is C1. So he got 500. 7 and 4 instructors, 7 is giving C5 registered 2 times. Okay, so C5 registered 2 times, that's why 1000. So this is the result, almost 80% of the result what we are expecting in the question. So we got instructor and price. Okay, that is inner join. So what he is asking is he want instructor name, but if you see the instructor name in the result 2, 7, 4, 9, 10. So we don't have all those entries in student table. If all those entries are there in student table, we can simply select the student name, but we don't have all those entries. So all those entries are there in who is 10. Okay, instructor 10. Instructor 10 is not registered in anywhere. So if students and instructors both are same, then we can simply bring this name column from student. But always all instructors are not students, so we cannot depend on this student table. And however, we don't have that entry 7 in student table, so we need to check with the instructor table. So to solve that, we need to add one more join. So the result from this query, left outer join. If I join, okay, I will show you that also. If I do inner join, then I'll get issue, because it will filter it will get filtered. I think, yeah, I can use inner join also because I have all these records in the instructor table. So first let's go with left outer join. So I forgot to mention in previous session, you can use left join also. So left join instructor I on C dot instructor is equal to I dot id. Okay, so my result is not changed, so that's fine. If I change to inner join, so before executing 2 4 7 9 10 2 4 7 9, okay, 10 is missing because 10 is not there in the instructor table. So when you do inner join, it will bring only common records, so 10 is missing. So let's go with the left outer join. Okay, we got all these records. So why we joined instructor table is for instructor name. So let's add instructor name I dot name. Okay, group by expression. Okay, so I got instructor name. So as I said, the left outer join, when you add left outer join, if the record is not there in the right table, then it will give null value. So we don't have instructor 10, so that's why we got null, but the price is there. Okay, so that's the solution. If you achieved with both inner joins, that should be fine, because that doesn't make sense. If the instructor is not there in the instructor table itself, then the data itself is wrong. I know I designed very bad database, but this database is easy to explain for joins. Okay, thank you. See you in the next session.